Hi and welcome to Clicks and Clarity with Claire. In today's episode, I'm walking you through a real Google Ads audit that'll make your hair stand on end. If you've ever wondered why your leads are drying up fast, this one's for you. Let's dive in. I recently audited a solar company's Google Ads account. It was a masterclass in what not to do. First red flag, the display network was left on. That means their ads were showing up on random websites, videos, and even game sites. Newsflash. Nobody browsing cat videos suddenly decides to install solar panels. Display ads work for remarketing, and that's it. Next up, keyword strategy. Or should I say lack thereof. They had a broad, unstructured approach with 438 keywords dumped into one ad group. That's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. No negative keywords either, so they were probably getting calls about solar eclipses and sun-dried tomatoes. Speaking of calls, let's talk about conversion tracking. It was a mess. They had potential double counting of conversions and some truly bizarre conversions, like getting calls for services they didn't even offer. That's like a vegetarian restaurant getting reservations for a steak dinner. Now, campaign structure, or should I say lack of structure, one ad group for everything. That's like having one closet for all your clothes, shoes, and kitchen appliances. Chaos. No segmentation for different solar services. So whether someone wanted solar panels, battery storage, or just information, they got the same generic ad. That's not strategy. That's Russian roulette with your ad budget. And here's the kicker. The previous agency was running ads for competitors. They were literally paying to send traffic to the competition. It's like hiring a real estate agent who shows your potential buyers other houses on the street, but wait, there's more. Google's auto-apply recommendations were turned on. That's like giving Google a blank check and saying, go wild. They were adding random keywords, changing bid strategies, and probably planning the company's Christmas party too. Now, you might be thinking, Claire, surely it can't get worse. Oh, but it can. They were using a maximize conversions strategy. Sounds good, right? Wrong. When you're tracking the wrong things, you're just maximizing garbage. It's like telling a chef to make as much food as possible, but not caring if it's edible. So what do we do with this solar-powered disaster? First, turn off that display network. Unless you're remarketing, it's just burning money. Second, build a proper keyword strategy. Focus on high-intent keywords. Third, add negative keywords like your profitability depends on it, because it does. Fourth, fix that conversion tracking. Make sure you're counting real leads, not accidental clicks. Fifth, create a proper campaign structure. Separate ad groups for each service and location. Sixth, stop advertising your competitors. You're not running a charity here. Seventh, turn off those auto-apply recommendations. Google's great, but it doesn't know your business like you do. And finally, rethink that bidding strategy. Maximize conversions only works when you're tracking the right things. Now here's the good news. Even with this mess, they were getting some leads. That means there's huge potential for improvement. With a proper strategy, we could turn this solar flare into a supernova of qualified leads. But remember, it's not just about getting more leads, it's about getting the right leads. You want people ready to buy, not just window shoppers. That's why a tailored, laser-focused approach is crucial. It's about understanding your ideal customer, their pain points, and how your solution fits into their life. It's about crafting ads that speak directly to them, not to everyone with a roof. It's about building landing pages that convert visitors into leads and leads into customers. And most importantly, it's about constant optimization. Google Ads isn't a set it and forget it platform. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that needs regular care and feeding. That means monitoring your bids, tweaking your keywords, and always tracking your conversions. Because at the end of the day, it's not about impressions, clicks, or even leads. It's about ROI. It's about turning your ad spend into profit. And that, my friends, is what separates the Google Ads winners from the losers. Remember, in Google Ads, structure isn't just nice to have. It's the difference between burning money and igniting your business growth. That's it for this episode of Clicks and Clarity with Claire. Thanks for listening. And remember, in the world of Google Ads, clarity leads to clicks, and clicks, the right ones, lead to customers. See you next time. See you next.